Hi everyone, good morning to you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you. I hope all is well with you. Happy weekend to you all. This morning, I want to bring to you this update, very, very important, because sometimes in life, when somebody, vow to criticize other people, like when you dedicate your life, your time, your effort, just to tear other people down, somehow the whole thing may turn against you without you knowing. You may be thinking that the fight, what you are doing, is not in the favor of the person you perceived to be your enemy. But sometime in life, that thing that you are doing may go beyond your expectation. The recent post from Akparawa, which I shared here yesterday, where he talked about gentle, where he actually talked about discipline in military. I thought he has made the polls and that is gonna be the end. Then he brought out a video of a Jamaican in the past. Because 2 weeks ago, a Jamaican made a video where he said that they received message from Mazna Modicano instructing them to stop sit at home. And that video went viral. Every Nigerian media news, every Nigerian media, mainstream media, they decided to share it. Different people reacted on it. Those who have not been saying anything about it, some reacted in jubilation, some reacted in a kind of mockery to men on ground. Some even said that despite that, you guys are going to pay and all that. So that a kind of there are different reaction, if I may say. Like people have a different opinion to that. But for those Biafrans who understand that this is not what anybody need at this point in time, some people head back, some actually, criticize them, and I'm not here to talk about what the reaction of people. What I'm trying to tell you is that after that video, a lot has happened. Because 2 days ago, Gentle came up and said, no, we are going to continue this at home, we are going to support and all that. Of course, people have also reacted on that. But guess what? In the first and second video, the one that the Jamaica made where he talked about the message they received from the instruction they received from Samas Damonicano, Sana did not react to anything. To the best of my knowledge, I may be wrong, but I did not see any reaction from him. Then he kept quiet. Then when Gentle surfaced on Maziakwa's platform, he reacted. He started talking about discipline. He started talking about all that. Then that video have triggered him to now go back to react on a Jamaica video. And what he said is why we're here. So please do me a favor and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, give me your ear. Let's go through this one. Today is Sunday morning. This is 22nd February 2026. And we are here to go through some of the posts that are somehow related. All right. And we're going to talk about what he said on the Israeli parliament talking about Biafra. So we're going to compare, we're going to go touch it a little bit. I want you to follow us step by step. It's not going to be a long video. I promise you, it's not going to be a long video. But I will try my best to, maybe, to be honest with you, I cannot assure you. I just said I promise you. Let me just withdraw that word promise. I'm not sure. Because I record my video as the spirit leads. So I cannot give you assurance of anything, but please, it's not going to be a boring video. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be. It's somehow, kind of remind you of what you know. I don't want to say educative video or education video. No. It's going to be a kind of a reminder to try to take you back on something that I believe that you know. If you don't know it, there is going to be a new information to you. Now, speaking of Akparawa's post, we are going to go there like I promised you, and this is an opportunity for you to like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. It won't cost you anything. Please do share it and like the video. All right. All right. So the picture you are seeing now is the post from Akparawa. All right. And this is the video of a Jamaica that I told you about. So I'm gonna play it so if you know the video itself. Listen.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear friends all over the world. Today is 7th of February 2026. This information is coming from the table of Triple General Igwe Botozo and the Major General General de Yahoo and all the 40 state commanders in Biafra land. As the information reaching to my table to inform all Biafrans, order from the highest command of the Biafra Restoration Movement, Onyendu Mazinam Dekano, has reached us that one visit at home is cancelled from today.
Now, this is the video that he made, and this video, I believe by now, even in Jamaica and anybody, that somehow make sure that the video was recorded. You know what I'm talking about. I'm sure that by now they feel like taking the video back. But guess what? It is too late. But that's Biafra has spoken. They decided to sit at home in a better way than. And there's other things that is coming up now. So which I'm gonna talk about in my next video. All right. But I'm not gonna go there now. Let's focus on why we're here. Now, so now Akparawa, who did not respond to react on this video, decided to say something now. What did he say? Remember what he said yesterday. He talked about criticize Gentle for coming out in Mazda's platform. All right, that's why he mentioned discipline. Now he said, if this video of BDF telling you to stop fighting for Biafra couldn't stop Biafrans, then continue watching and laughing at every drama coming out daily. Self-discipline is a key in military formations, but if you tell Biafrans that your leader in prison is controlling you, then you have lost value. Biafrans, don't be distracted. Support your freedom. These are part of the mountains. Everything Akparawa and Ogenkere have done is now coming back to bite them. It's not coming back to bite them. Discipline that you guys introduced is what you are complaining now. Discipline that you guys introduced is what you are complaining now. Hearing from the leaders in prison that you have used against others is what you're actually advocating against now. You brought out a lady called Maria. Is it Maria or Marianne? The ex-wife to PM, according to allegedly. I don't know if the yes or stick or current, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. You brought her out to deliver message from PM. And now you're not criticizing messages that come from PM or anyone in prison because you want to maintain, you want to carry out indiscipline. Right? You want to carry out indiscipline because it is out of indiscipline that you created APM. It is out of indiscipline that you created PM. It is out of indiscipline that you decided to go all out and contact men on ground when you're not supposed to. It is out of indiscipline that you vow not to listen to the structure and maintain Biafra declared. It is out of indiscipline that you say that USB declared is now USB charger, USB recharge card. As a content creator, my own is to remind you what you said in the past and present it to you. I am not leading any group. I am just a content creator, an ordinary content creator, all right? Don't get it twisted. My own is to just let you know what you said in the past. Then government will not see how the whole thing is. They are the one to handle it. I'm not in the government. and government is doing their job. So if you are criticizing something, do not forget where you start, how the whole thing started. Don't forget it. Don't forget it, because forgetting it simply means that you are not sure of yourself. Like you are actually working against yourself. Okay? That is what Akparawa said about Angel Makeup. In case if you don't understand what he said here, let me throw more light before I move forward. Because I wanted to move forward, but my mind said, okay, just throw more light on that. Let me do it. If this video of BDF telling you to stop fighting for Biafra, to Akparawa, when a Jamaican says it at home, is hereby stopped by, according to the Jamaican, by Mass Namoricano, which is questionable. A lot of people don't believe it. So many Biafrans don't believe that message. I am not here to tell you that I have done my research and I've verified that it's true or not. I don't know. The way you hear, the way it sounds to you, the way it sounds to me. So I'm not here to claim anything. But maybe your thought is right. Whether Mazokano said it or not, I am of the opinion that even Mazokano said it, that you don't need to hearken to that. It doesn't make any sense at all, because sit at home is way beyond Mazokano's release. Yes, it has something to do with Mazokano, we all know that. It has something to do with PM Simon Ekpa, yes, we know. It also has something to do with you that is sitting at home. Because you are sitting it for yourself, not for anybody. Don't think that you're doing it for anybody, to favor anybody. Going against is just like you decided to set a hospital that's going to save your life ablaze. Like you are angry and you want to protest. Upon every other thing you can show your anger on, you decide to burn down hospital. That is burning, sit at home down, is like you going out to tear or burn down hospital. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Because anything that happened to you, you are heading to hospital, whether you like it or not. You understand? The hospital is the only place. Nobody says, I don't want to go there. I cannot go there. Yes, I'm quarreling with the management of the hospital. Maybe one hospital, but you cannot just quarrel against every hospital around, because if you are sick, that's where you are headed to. So automatically, Akparawa is telling you here that Angel Makeup is actually sabotaging Biafra by telling you not to fight for freedom according to his write-up, not me. He said, but that thing couldn't stop you. His video couldn't stop Biafrans, according to him. He said, then continue watching and laughing. That's making mockery of them, making mockery of BDF. And remember, why is it now that Akparawa started seeing indiscipline from military? Like all of a sudden, he's now noticing that there's indiscipline, because that indiscipline is not good, it's not favoring him. When they show indiscipline to Biafrans to favor his agenda, our military, you have to support military, right? I am not against military. I don't have the power to even go against them, because I am not here to tell you anything about them. I'm just telling you what Akparawa said. So he said, laughing at every drama coming out daily, he expects more to come. Because to him, these guys have done something that they cannot stand. He says, self-discipline is a key in military formation. But if you tell Biafrans that your leader in prison is controlling you, then you have lost value. So from Akparawa. Okay? Biafrans, don't be distracted. They always end it like this. Don't be distracted. So not because why? They are all learning from DPM. Because DPM always tell Biafrans, don't be distracted, be focused, because a lot of people like Akparawa, there are too many. So that warning is coming from, came from DPM. Don't be distracted. And they're not copying it to fake it, so that Biafrans will be confused on who is distracting them and who is not distracting them. You see the mindset of these people? That's why he's trying to copy that. He copied, not even tried. He has copied it. He says, support your freedom. These are part of the mountains. Oh, all of a sudden, he realized there's mountain to reclaim. So people are now, there's mountain, this mountain was built and modeled by whom? This particular mountain you're talking about. Because you are not facing the mountain, isn't it? When you push that mountain to other people to distract and to destruct everything, it wasn't mountain to you then. You just see it as normal, normal thing to do to safeguard your agenda, your motive. Here is the write-up. So there's other thing he said here, which I want to share with you. So people in Israel, there's a video of Israeli parliament discussing about Biafra, and USB did not claim they are the one, not at all. If in fact somebody reached out to me, the person was like, why is it that DPM have not made a comment on that, like a post? I was like, it is not her job. I believe that our brother may be watching the video. If you are watching the video, please put a comment, let me know if you are the one, because I could remember a few days ago you were asking me the same question. I don't know you in person, but I was like, it is not her job. How can you expect her to be the one to comment on what? And little did I know that DOS are on it, that they are the one, because the woman used the word name IPOB, then DOS jump in. They jump in that they are the one. Now, the woman who made it possible is the woman you are seeing here. I was told that she married a Biafran. I don't know much about the relationship and all that, but she's a Jewish woman, Rachel. Her husband's name is Nwosu. So he said he rebuked US, don't take my glory like Ngozi took Ngozi to Oginkere. So because of Akparawa, I'm bringing this, what this woman said to DOS, he's trying to link it up to Oginkere and DPM. That's why I decided to bring this video to report it here. Okay? Because we need to clear on that. I don't know if this is a video. Let's see if it's a video. Let's just watch. I don't know. Is there anything? There's no sound, only sound like this. Okay, I thought somebody said something there, so there's no need to post it and all that. Now, the Patrick Ikemo of DOS made this publication and said, in a way they're trying to claim everything. This is woman. The woman said, yes, Israel stand with Biafra, but it has nothing to do with the DOS. Please, mister, I worked very hard and mostly alone to get to this stage. DOS was not involved in any way. Don't crown people that were not any part of this project and achievement, and don't give any glory. Okay, Patrick Ikemo is here. I said, because this is what Patrick Ikemo said before Duma replied to him. Said, the Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra take the sole responsibility for the Israel Parliament debate over the release of Mass Namadokan and call for Biafran separation from Nigeria. This message is clear. Israel stands with the Biafran people. DOS are wise. If you do that also, yeah, this guy, Patrick Ikem, I'm telling you, I have never seen criminals like this before. So the woman get hold of that post and reply to him, the one up here. Say, he replied to him, yes, Israel stands with Biafra, but it has nothing to do with DOS. Please, mister, I worked very hard and mostly alone to get to this stage. DOS was not involved in any way. Don't crown people that were not any part of this project and any project and achievement, and don't give any glory. I think there's something missing here. DOS was not involved in any way. Don't crown people that were not in any part of this project. I think it was missing them in any part of this project, and achievement and don't give any glory. Okay? Reminding him she accepted that yes, Israel would be after another. So this is what she said. There's another copied it here and made this one. What did he say? Enokwa, DOS and some people DOS and some people even try to steal Rachel Wosu glory already. Just like Ngozi does against Nkere work in Brigi. Now, this is why if you are a fallback Republic member, please, I'm begging you for the first time in your life, yeah, do something that people will beat their chest and say, okay, yeah, you have done a very good job. Can you just pass this message, even if you don't watch other parts? See this one now. I want to pass my message to Sona Akparawa. I don't know if I want this message to get to him. Sona Akparawa, I love the fact that you presented the intruders, how Patrick Ikem and co are trying to take glory. I love the fact that you made it, even though the way you position the test shows like you are not proud of this expose. Maybe you are just Patrick Ikem 2.0 in Brigi. Okay, you presented this one very well, but not very, very well. But at least you showed some example. Can you please, Sona Akparawa, save us this stress? Show us that thing that Ogeke has achieved, that God is taking glory. I just want, if you can do one thing, just save us for the first time in your life. Do something good, just like I called your friends to share this message to you. Can you come up with one tangible thing? I'm not saying handshaking and holding flower in Washington, D.C. I'm talking about the outcome of the event. What Sona Ogenkere and of course you have done that USB government or COS in person have decided to drag with you or take the glory. And one more thing. Can you mention two things? In fact, one thing, we give you two things too stressful. Mention one thing that under your leadership with your family meeting, Ogenkere, can you present to Biafrans one thing that you started and that thing is now speaking volume, like people are now talking about it. One thing that you started and how you accomplished it, or you are 80% to the accomplishment of that particular project. Anyone, both home and abroad, mention one thing. You are busy dragging a military that you never formed. It's not your military. Your drag head office is not belong to you. Even staff of the office, it doesn't belong to you. Your drag website does not belong to you. Okay? The one you created later is not an achievement. If I can create a website, I can just pay. If I pay the amount, and somebody they will build it for me. So don't tell me website. It's not that one is not any achievement whatsoever. I'm talking about tangible things. Then we talk about your lobbies. You have not hired anybody. Like you research and hired a new person. You copied everything that PM presented. You drag it. The one you was able to snatch. That's what you are holding. Mention any lawyer, any lobby. You guys went out there, research and find out who this lobby and present it. Okay. The only thing that you may present that I know that you don't have, you guys don't have, you cannot be man enough. You and Ogekere, guys cannot be man enough to tell us that Ogekere is the founder of Elias. That like he's the one that brought Elias to the limelight. I don't think you will do that. Can you just tell me one thing? I'm just giving you an idea of what you may present, but if you do, and then I know that you're a man, but because I know that you cannot do it. Present one thing. So this your nonsense post here, where is it coming from? Like, what motivated you to make this kind of post? When you know you have nothing to show. You have done nothing. All you are doing is dragging. Listen, I don't hate you. I don't hate Ogekere. Don't see it as you hate. If you change, if you do something good, I will sing your praises. Just like when I heard that Israeli parliament are talking about Biafra, I don't care who made it possible. I was so happy. That is me. Can I hear that kind of thing from you? Never. And speaking of people that are presenting, something, doing this and doing that. Don't just act as if you have forgotten what you said about PM in the past. Don't just act as if you have forgotten, like you don't remember. Okay, let me remind you what you said. Okay, let me remind you this is your post. Let me bring it to you. Now watch this Mazakwa video. Hear Mazakwa here.
So that we have the opportunity to catch what they carry.
No, wait, go back.
Put together so that we have the opportunity to catch what they carry. Because what they carry is worse than Ngozi. Ngozi is a witch, Ngozi is bad, but I want to assure you, Umuchimente, you see what they carry. I say, I don't. Run away as far as your leg can carry you. What Ogekere have done to destroy British is worse than what Ngozi did.
Now, that is number one. Number two, you are the one that made this this tweet. Listen.
All these enemies of Biafra, evidence too much.
No, start from the beginning.
Simon and Biafra, what more do you need to know about these enemies of Biafra? Evidence too much. Since the Twitter, as he claimed that Twitter suspended his account, now Sonny Akparawa, the Adiabet Sonny Archibald Akparawa, is not the one handling this information media platform, the IMC under Storebridge. He posted this yesterday. Now look at that. He said, why are they all crying about this man? Which man? This criminal face. We are crying. We are not crying. We are exposing him. We are not crying. Now, he said, why are they all crying about this man? He is exposing and destroying Nigeria in United States Congress for buying Biafrans, kidnapping Mazin and the Kano, and and what? And and also, are you seeing it? And also aiding the detention of Simon _Ekpa in Finland. Also aiding. Hey, sorry, you see, it is not that.
Now, Sonny Akparawa, this is your post. You have never, explained to Biafran what you actually said here. You are the one that's revealed this, that Ogenkere is busy exposing and destroying Nigeria in United States Congress for buying Biafrans, kidnapping Mass American, and aiding. That is helping. Aiding means helping detention of Simon Ekpa in Finland. That Ogenkere is those why helping to detain PM. And when you check the activities of this Ogenkere, from changing document, formulation of Birgi, dragging men on ground, this and that, you begin to connect the dots. Just as that I played his voice note where he was saying that he changed the number of Butozo so that nobody's gonna contact him again. How many of you watched that video yesterday? Please, you need to watch all the video. Watch the video from the beginning to the end. Now listen, pay attention.
We are enjoying your downfall. It is that you open your eye, Koro, to betray. Opening your eye, Koro, to betray. It is what is baffling us, Biafrans. Tell me, Sonny that I know, Akparawa Sonny that I know, cannot just type something like this without cross-checking it and posting it. No, he will cross-check it. He will see
Now let's move forward. We have other thing to. I'll have other thing to share with you before we end this video. There's a post from, of course, no other person than the current Idi Amin, on skate. This lady called Eunice BB, very, very devilish person, said, every must confess. I don't know what I mean by that. Every must confess. Maybe everyone must confess, something like that. He said, mocking BNL, because to me, this is a mockery. He said, Briggy is the only recognized government. And he screenshot what Prince Will posted. Briggy, Biafra National League, BNL, every nation have one government. And what they know is Briggy. No, let me. Every nation have one government, and what they know, what they know us, Briggy. What do you mean by that? And what they know us, Briggy. Like, you want to say that Briggy is what everybody know, and that's the one that he's in support, or he's supporting, and all that. And this one is mocking him by telling him that if you just confessed, that everybody is going to confess. And these are the same people telling you that somebody is a Madam Baba. What are you doing now? Is that not Baba? They didn't believe. Anyway, I don't blame you. I blame Maswell. Is it Maswell? His name is Maswell, right? Prince Will, that's his name. So I blame him. He's the one I blame on this one, because he allowed himself to be, going back and forth like that. Anyway, please, I think we are going to end it here. I told you that we may not waste much time. And so this is just, that's something minutes. Just bear with me, okay? And make sure you like the video. Share it on any platform of your choice. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. Happy weekend to you. Bye.